Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum, friends. May Allah Almighty bless you, all of you, where you are in the world and you are safe and secure. Ameen summa ameen. On daily basis, friends through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, inboxing me different question. One of the most common question that ask me every third or every fourth person is they give me a screenshot of last 28 days. For example, on your screen here you can see a screenshot of last 28 days. This is non-monetized channel screenshot. It shows views, watch hours and subscribers. This is another screenshot. This screenshot is of monetized channel. Here views, watch hours, subscribers and earning or revenue is also shown. So the question of different subscriber, different people from different countries of the world, they asking me that why YouTube changing their watch hours, change their views, change their subscribers, and if the channel is monetized, so sometime earning increase, on the next day earning decrease. So what are the reasons behind it? So that is the topic for discussion in today's video. Watch this video till the end, so you will get fully understanding of this topic, and in future when someone asks this question to you, you have understanding of this topic, so you will able to reply other friend and give the understanding that how YouTube algorithm works and what are the exact meaning of last 28 days analytics. Before going to start the topic, if you are new here, so a warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Earning Tips for You. Don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon, so you will get latest video notification first of all. And don't forget to share this video, because you guys like my video, comment on my videos, but you do not share my video. So that is my complaint to all of you. Share my video with your friends, so they will also get understanding of this topic. If you are returning subscribers, so I am very thankful to you for coming this video. I really appreciate your support, your love. Keep supporting me. I am very thankful to you. And if you have any question regarding YouTube, you can discuss with me at any time. My social media links are available in the description of this video. WhatsApp and Instagram, you can text me at any time. I will try my level best to solve your problem. And remember, no money, no payment is involved. Each and everything which I will provide you is free of cost. So let's understand the topic. I am giving you an example with watch hours. Suppose that here this is a screenshot of non-monetized channel. So suppose that here in last 28 days the watch hours that are showing is 300 watch hours, and suppose that today is 28 June 2022. So these 300 watch hours from June 1st to June 28. Know when date change from June 28 to 29, all the watch hours that the creator gain, they added here. Suppose that the creator gain 50 watch hours for their channel on June 29. So they added, but at the same time all the watch hours that the creator was gained on 1st June 2022, they will minus from the last 28 days analytics. So suppose that the creator gained 50 watch hours on 29 June. So total watch hours increase from 300 to 350. But at the same time, when the watch hours that lost on that he was gained on 1st June 2022, suppose that he gained or she gained, whatever, I am giving you a general example, 10 watch hours. So from 350, 10 minus, so at the end of when YouTube algorithm update your last 28 days analytics, so watch hours showing 340 watch hours. Now from 28 to 29 to 30th June, suppose that the creator gained 60 watch hours. So watch hours again increased from 340 to 400 watch hours. But at the same time, creator lost all those watch hours that was gained on 2nd June 2022. Suppose that creator gained 20 watch hours or 30 watch hours on 2nd June. So the watch hours at the end when YouTube update last 28 days analytics 370 watch hours. The only way to increase your last 28 days views, watch hours, subscriber is when you gain more watch hours, more views, more subscribers and more earning in terms of dollar. So then your earning, your subscriber, your views seems to be increasing as compared to the earning, views, subscribers and watch hours that is on the past days of last 28 days time span. They are reducing, they are reduced in less amount and you gain in more amount. So then the only way to increase your last 28 days analytics. You can implement this example to your views, to your watch hours, to your earning as well. Know why the watch hours are decreasing. Suppose that on 28 date your watch hours 300 watch hours and on 29 you only gain suppose 20 watch hours. So your watch hours reduced from 300 to 320. But at the same time on 1st June 2022 you was gain suppose 70 watch hours. So when YouTube algorithm update the last 28 days analytics, so your watch hours reduce from 300 to 320 to 250 watch hours. Why? Because all the watch hours that you was gain on 1st June 2022 they are 70 watch hours, so they minus from your last 28 days analytics. So now when you move from 29 June to 30th June and you gain only 20 watch hours, so your watch hours from 250 to 270, but at the same time on 2nd June you was gain 40 watch hours, so your 40 watch hours reduce. So at the end when YouTube algorithm update the analytics, so your watch hours that showing in your last 28 days 230 watch hours. So in this way, in this case your watch hours are reducing in your last 28 days. In the same way when you gain subscriber, views, earning, they are in more amount, they are in huge amount, so overall your statistics is going up, arrow is going up. But when they are in less amount and the loss on the 28 days previous dates like 1st June, 2nd June, 3rd June, they are in huge amount, so definitely the arrow down and each and everything seems to be dropped. So that is the background that how YouTube algorithm calculate the last 28 days analytics. So I give you different examples, so hopefully now you understand this topic very well. Again, if you have any questions, so you can discuss with me at any time. My links are available in the description of this video. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends, and if you still do not subscribe the channel, so subscribe with bell icon so you will get latest video notification first of all. That's all about in today's video. See you soon in some next video. Take very good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.